Replacing the limit switch. Sometimes a push button inside of your Migun bed can cause a problem. Turn off the power and open up the mat cover. Release the tension cover stabilizer at the top. Now release the tension cover stabilizer at the bottom. Slide the tension cover into the middle of the bed. Now, inside the aluminum rail, you'll see the white push button. Move the jade set down so that you can see the limit switch. With a typical limit switch problem, you'll see the jade set stopped at one end. In this case, push and release the limit switch at the other end several times. One way to make sure that the switch does not get stuck while it is pressed is to put lubricant on the surface of the switch. If you need to replace the limit switch, you may remove the cables and take the limit switch out of the bracket. To put the limit switch back, reconnect the cables. Now, put the limit switch back into the bracket. Now, put the tension cover stabilizer back and close the cover.